Well, here on Yahoo Finance, we get a lot of economists and strategists forecasting a recession for the end of the year. Let's hear from a few of them.
I really haven't seen the market price in yet sort of recessionary conditions.
For our view has always been at the end of this year in terms of recession. We didn't really pull it forward as much as maybe consensus did late last year and early this year. And so we've stuck with the view that we still expect that you get a modest recession by the end of this year.
Even though we're predicting a recession, in our base case, still a mild one.
Well, despite their confidence in a pending economic slowdown, recent data is telling us that a recession may not be on the horizon. Here to break it all down for us is Yahoo Finance's Josh Schafer. Hey, Josh.
Hey, Rochelle. Yeah, so as those economists were just telling us, right, they see maybe a recession at the end of this year was the initial call, actually maybe even earlier this year. But now some of those economists are starting to move back their call for a recession into 2024. And behind me is one of the key reasons why, right? So Tuesday we had a lot of positive economic data showing overall strength in the U.S. economy. So right here we have consumer confidence. You can see a big tick up right here. And it hit its highest level in over a year yesterday on that chart. Still obviously off some historical highs, but again, a move up. We're looking for upward trends. When you take a look at the Case-Shiller index that also was out yesterday for home prices, you're seeing a similar trend upward, taking upward over the last couple months, prices starting to come up. And what's interesting with that one, Rochelle, is when you take a look at home sales, new home sales. So the Case-Shiller index is from April. These new home sales are from May. Houses were more expensive, but people are still buying them. That shows consumer resiliency, right? People are still willing to pay for things that are more expensive amid higher inflation and higher prices. That is, again, another sign of a strong economy. Then you take a look at the labor market. We had the May jobs report. It was the highest jobs report for non-farm payrolls we have seen since January. A big tick up here, 339,000 non-farm payrolls. That was a big increase. So it's been interesting to see a lot of these strong data points. We have PCE coming on Friday. We have the jobs report next week. We'll be watching those as well to see if we continue to see these strong data points. But right now it is leaning toward a lot more economists saying that recession is coming later than we initially anticipated.
Interesting to see the tide turning here. Great breakdown there for us, our very own Josh Schafer.